Alright, so good morning, dear traders. Winston could see you here. Welcome back to this lovely Wednesday. Do apologize, I haven't been online the last 2 days as the weekend that was past. I had a couple of big shows, and Monday and Tuesday I was battling with vocals. I almost had no voice, so I had to relax the voice because I am a musician actually. So and trading is just what I do to build up a pension fund for myself. Alright, so let's quickly jump to the charts. And anyways, nothing much has happened in the market. Nothing much. You know, I'm still in these trades. The Euro USD, I'm still in it. I've been in it for the last almost I think 2 or 3 weeks, 2 weeks. And I've been in this trade. So yeah, it's gone a little bit to the upside, like I said it might. Now I'm just waiting for this to drop down. The same with the pound USD. Went a little bit up to the upside there, and I'm just waiting for it to go down to the downside. So this is still a waiting game. The gold, now I jumped into the gold because it fits my criteria, the way I trade. Now I want to show you guys quickly something that I actually also saw. And as you guys saw in the previous videos that, you know, I had some losses, $150 loss, and it's a good learning curve for those people that want to jump in when you think price is going to go down, when you think it's high enough, it's going to sell off now. Now if I instead of thinking it's going to go down and just trade it the way I trade, where I have a break of structure, retest, break of structure, jump in. So basically we would have had, this was the previous high, so price broke that high. There's the previous high, price broke, actually that's not the previous high over there, actually it's not, this is the previous high, that over there is the previous high. So basically price broke that high over there. Price stopped there, did a retest. As you can see, there's a red candle in there. There's a retest. So that is the break of structure. That is the retest over there. That is the break of structure. So there, that high has been broken with that candle over there. So that means I would have jumped into the trade right over there. So I would have been in profit in this one. And then you just go by previous low. Then previous low over there, and that's still the previous low because that's the high there. Retest, break of structure, so that would have been your recent swing low over there. You would have been in the trade. Now that one there also broke, so you would have been doing a trailing stop over there, and then it came back and took you out the market there because that is the previous low. So I did see the previous low get broken with this one over here, but it didn't do a second run. It did a retest. So there we have a break of structure, retest inside the zone. So that is my previous low. And then we saw second run, break of structure. So there we go. So that low has been broken there and retested, and then broken again and retested. So on this low over here is where I did put my sell order in, because I had that low broken by this here, retest, and that didn't count as a break because the body is not below that point over there. There's only the second run, so that confirms that I can put my sell order in there. I did put my sell order, it picked me up over there, it put me in the market, so I'm in this gold trade at the moment as a selling position. I put my sell right over there. I don't know why I put it, so I put it a bit higher. I don't know, sometimes I just don't concentrate. But yeah, so that's where my sell is, because I have, oops. Let me just put my stop loss is way out the way. It's $98, so that's where my stop loss is, way out the way. Now how am I going to get this one? Yes, I want the trend line. Okay, so as you guys can see, that was my previous low over there. That one over there was my previous low. It hasn't been broken. It hasn't been broken. There it got broken. Retested. So that is that low. Got broken again. Retested. But I didn't take that as a low because I did use this one as my low because the high here is higher than that. So I did use my low here with this double tap here. I did use this as a low because it broke but didn't break completely. So that was my previous low. Break, retest, break. So when it broke that low over there, it confirmed that I had to put it in the market. Broke the low, retested, broke it again. So that means that was where, I mean, what did I do here? What did I do it there? Let me just quickly check. Let's check break, retest. I'm having a very slow day today. Alright, so there's a low over there because that high is higher. That was my previous low. That's the previous low there. Break, retest, break. Oh yes, yeah, because that was the previous low that I took. That was a breaking low. That's why that is my low over there. And then I was waiting for this low to be broken again with the second run, and it got broken there again. That's why I put the trade in. Yo, got lost there for a second. And that's why I mean the gold at the moment is selling position. But I want to show you guys. I did show you guys how this works. So if I, instead of using what I think and just used my strategy, I would have made money on this gold instead of losing money on this gold. And I use it now as a good example. So you need to stick to your strategy. I just showed you now how important it is to stick to a strategy and stick to it. Even if you think it's going to go down, stick to it religiously. Of course, I didn't take these trades on my main account. I just took it on this demo account so I can show you guys what's happening. And yes, I do trade on a demo account. Is to motivate, my channel is to motivate new traders to first start trading on a new account. Work out all your problems on a demo account. Don't just start trading because you bought a course from one of these scam artists on Google or on YouTube, and think now because you bought one of these courses you are now a professional trader. No, it takes years. It takes years of trading before you become a profitable trader. So I motivate you to start on a demo account. Start on a demo account. Like I started on this demo account. I'm going to trade on this demo account for a year, and after a year we can see what this account has been doing. Now, for now, let me go to the history because I open up everything. I'm not here to hide anything. This account was opened on the 22nd of July. So it's basically like 2 months ago. So now the 22nd will be 2 months that this account has been opened. So on the first month, on the 23rd of August, I did open up and I did check, and our account was up by 4%. This month, unfortunately, because of what I did with the gold, we are down 0.5% for this month. But you can go back on my videos. I have told you that not every month will be a profitable month. You'll have some good months, some bad months. You can't work off that. You have to use this account for a year. After a year, you check your growth, and then you can get a percentage of what your growth is. Alright? Month to month, you can't say, oh, I'll make 4% this month, I'm going to make 4% or 5% next month. No, next month you might lose 2% of your account. It's the way it works. That is trading. And on this trading account and this trading channel, it's all open. It's all there. I see such a huge amount of people that fake accounts. You know, they fake this and, ooh, they made that and made that. So, you know, I don't even have my FX book. I just trade. That's all I do. I trade, and that's that. My broker is Tickmill. I use Tickmill. That's my broker. And they're very good on the euro. They get very low commissions, or actually no commissions on when I trade euro. That's why I like trading the euro. And I just trade. And I decided, you know what, instead of putting out videos, let me trade live. That's the only way you can see if a trader is a bullshitter or a real trader. A lot of these so-called make money overnight, and if you buy my course, you'll make fucking money scam artists on YouTube. You'll see them post videos every day. Every day they'll post videos, but those people will not trade live every day. Do you know why? Because they can't trade. They make money by selling bullshit courses to new traders, giving you this false hope, this false vision of, oh, if you buy this course, you will be a profitable trader. You'll make so much money you can retire within the next 2 years. It's bullshit, people. It's bullshit. Ask any real trader that's been trading for years. Professional trader. Ask any professional trader. That is bullshit. That is bullshit. There's no quick fix. There's no miracle indicators or whatever. There is none. Trading is something you learn from doing. The more you do it, the better you get at it. And to save yourself from problems and from having to bear witness to you losing your own money, start on a demo account. I'm a professional trader and I still use a demo account. Whenever I want to try something new or test something, I use a demo account. As a professional trader, and I've been trading for years now, and I still use a demo account. You're going to be using a demo account for the rest of your trading career. It's the way it is. That's what it's there for. So yeah, once I get to 1 million subs, I'll show you guys my real account, but I don't have any interest in it, and I don't need to, because you know, these things I see every day on YouTube. These things can be faked so much that people are faking shit these days. That's why I trade live. Everything open. You're gonna see there, everything is open. Here's the history, and I try and open up every time that I trade live. I try and open up the history of this demo account, of this account. I try and open the history so you guys can see everything there. Everything is out in the open for everyone to see. So there is no bullshit, no nothing. And I'm not selling you anything. I'm never going to sell you fucking anything. I don't sell courses. I just trade, and if you find value in the way I trade, fantastic. And I'm trying to get as many people on board on this channel, especially new traders, so that they don't fall into that trap of all these so-called trading gurus that are trying to sell you bullshit. These magical indicators, or this trading strategy is 99% profitable. This is 100% profitable trading strategy. It's bullshit. The markets are not, how can I say it? It's not easy. It's not easy to trade, and it's never the same. So you can't have a strategy that works 100% of the time. Even my strategy that I work, where I work on a break, retest, break, then I put my buy or my sell in. That's a strategy I work. Very simple, plain. There's nothing to it. I don't have any indicators on my chart. You will see no indicators. The only thing I have is a volume, a vertical volume. I just want to see that there's movement in the market, that there's volume in the market. Otherwise, if the volume is very low, I don't necessarily want to trade, you know. So then then I know I can go do something and only come back in 6 or 7 or 8 hours and then look at the market. And also the way I trade is for people that still work, people that are still busy. That's the way I trade, is for them, because I don't like sitting in front of a computer the whole day. There's no way I'm going to sit in front of a computer the whole day looking at these squiggly things. I don't know what these squiggly things are, but I don't like looking at them the whole day. So I come on in the mornings, I do my little bit of a chart work, and I put my trades in that I need to put in, and that's that. And then I close it and I go home and I go on with my day. I go on with my day. I've got a life. All right, let's quickly get to the euro yen. I want to get to the euro yen quickly. Yes, where we are. All right, so I can take this box away here. I don't need this box. Sorry, yeah, I like boxes. I put boxes around freaking everything. I'm obsessed with boxes. Anyways, for the Euro USD, what I'm waiting for here, there's a previous high, there's a low. That is not the previous high because this low did not, it actually did. Okay, so this is actually my previous high over here. Because the low, let me just make sure. There's the low there. No, it didn't. Okay. Nope, it didn't. Yes, it did wick through, but you need to see a body, a candle body. Then that is confirmed to be the recent swing high, but it's not. It didn't break there, so this is still my recent swing high. Why is this my recent swing high? Because the low broke the previous low. So what I'm waiting for here to happen is for price action. For price action to break through this previous high, to break the structure, I must see a break of structure, a retest, and then a second break of structure. So the candle that breaks through here, whenever it forms a high and a retest, I want to see the breaking candle, this high, being broken, the new high. I want to see the new high broken. Then I will jump in for a buying opportunity. I'm waiting for a buy on the Euro Yen. Now let's look at the the US Yen. Now I want to show you something here. Let me just get to the daily. I just want to show you, or to the daily. I want to show you what I mean when I'm looking for. And I did put boxes around. So the same thing that happened here. If you can look at what happened here, I'm waiting to happen here as well. I'm waiting for it to happen on this side as well. Whatever happened here, you can see here price came down, price broke. So there is the new low, which means this is the recent swing high over there, because that low broke out. So this is the recent swing low right over there. What I was waiting for was the price to break, structure, retest, and do a second break. And on the second break, I will use this original candle, this original movement that broke the previous high. I'll use that high, put a trade in, put a buy order, a pre-order in on the tippity top of that one, and look what price did. Came all the way back, picked me up, put me in the market. And then you just go along for the ride. You just enjoy the ride, and then that's that. Okay? So what happened here, I'm waiting for it to happen on this side as well. So let's go a bit closer. I'm going to go down to my preferred time frame, and that is 6 hours. And I've used all the time frames. I've used the 6 hours, 30 minutes, 1 minute, 5 minute, daily, weekly. I've used it all, and my comfort zone is the 6 hour time frame, and that's why you can use this strategy if you are working as well. So you can just quickly in the morning before work have a look at the chart. I spend now a bit longer on the chart because I'm talking to you guys. I'm trying to show you guys what I'm doing, so you guys can pick up on what I'm doing, and then hopefully you can start trading and use what I'm doing here as an example. So the 6 hours, I just look at the chart and I wait for this to happen. Now, this might happen in the next 2 days, 3 days, 4 days. Then might break through, retest, and another break. So I'm waiting for exactly the same thing to happen here on the US Yen. I'm waiting for a break of structure. This high, this is the previous high here because the low broke there. So this is the previous high. I'm waiting for this high to be broken, retested, and then broken again. Then I'll jump in for a buying opportunity. My strategy is break, retest, break, jump in. Simple as that. Break, retest, break, jump in. 4 things. 4 things. Break, retest, break, jump in. My strategy is so simple. So simple. It is actually, it's mind-blowingly simple. Alright, so that's what I'm waiting for here. I'm waiting for a break, retest, break, jump in. Alright, so the same with that. Now I don't have any other trades that I'm looking at the moment. I'm already in all these trades over here, so that's quite good. I'm already in all these trades. I've got 3 trades open at the moment. I'm still waiting for just the Euro USD just to drop and the Pound USD just to drop, and it's probably going to drop. And I showed you in the previous videos, I did a outer view on a daily time frame, and explained to you why I'm in a selling position, why I'm on a selling bias on the Euro USD and the Pound USD, why I'm in a selling position. I did explain to you guys, and why I will be in a buying position on the US yen and the Euro yen. Gold, my strategy said sell, so I'm in a selling position, and plus I think it's about time for gold to start selling off. It went quite significantly high, almost at the 2,600 mark, almost at the 2,600. Let's see where it is. It went all the way up to, yeah, almost $2,600. It is heavy. Gold went up dramatically, very, very nicely. So gold had a good spike, but now this time also of sometimes some traders call this the rug pulling time. It's now time for the rug to be pulled out. So basically everything that went skyrocketed with the news is last week, so now it's time. Now the sellers will start jumping in. It's rug pulling season, so basically we're going to see a sharp drop in prices now, or that's what this time is called. But yeah, so from my side, please, ladies and gents, please share this channel. Please let us help me grow this channel so we can start a community of true traders, no BS, true, just pure trading, and help me to try and help these new traders that come onto the market every day. Every day there's hundreds of new potential traders, but they get caught in these traps by these so-called gurus that sell them bullshit, that sell them courses and indicators and shit they don't need. And you know what frustrates me is these people, that these new potential traders that jump on and looking for trading and want to start trading is usually people that is looking for an extra income. It's usually people that are battling already, so they're looking for an extra income. And then they get sucked in by these leeches, and their last bit of money gets taken from them because they spent now $100, $200, $300 to buy this bullshit course. Their last bit of money that they have, they spend to buy this bullshit course from this so-called trading guru. They study the course, they do the course, do everything right, they jump into the markets, they lend money to put on the markets, and they lose all that money, and then and it just causes despair. Please, ladies and gents, I'm asking, help me grow this channel, share this channel, subscribe to this channel, comment down below. If you want me to look at something as well, comment down below. If you've been caught by one of these scam artists, let me know down below, so we can start an awareness campaign for new potential traders to not fall into that trap of these trading gurus selling you bullshit. They're selling you, a bucket of horse shit will mean more to you than what these people are selling you. Please, ladies and gents, please. It hurts me to see every day hundreds of traders falling into the trap of these leeches of society, these so-called trading gurus. If a person doesn't trade live, he is not a fucking trader. That's the way it is. If a person can't come on live on YouTube and trade every day and open up everything and show you everything, he is not a trader. That I'm telling you now. It's a scam artist. These people with these courses, ask them, before I want to buy your course, trade live for at least a month. Live on YouTube. Trade live on YouTube for a month so I can see if your course works or not. Those people won't do it. I promise you now, those so-called trading gurus won't do that because they know what they're selling you is bullshit. What they're telling you is bullshit. And that's why this trading channel is here, so we can start getting rid of these new potential traders falling into that trap of these so-called gurus. So I'm begging you, ladies and gents, please help me grow this channel. Let's start a no bullshit group, movement, and let's try and save as many of the new traders as we can. And let's try and get rid of these so-called trading gurus. If you don't trade live, you're not a fucking trader. All right, from my side, that's all my little rant. I'm done with the rant. I've got shows tomorrow and Friday and Saturday and Sunday, so I don't think I'll be on tomorrow morning. But I'll try my best to be on tomorrow or Friday. But I know I've got shows the whole weekend, and unfortunately, I'm a musician, and it's something I enjoy doing. I enjoy doing the music. So from my side, if something happens on the market, I'll go live and I'll explain to you guys what happened. But for now, please have a good trading day, and let's help grow this channel and start a movement of true traders. No bullshit. From my side, Winston, have a good one, and I'll see you guys again. Cheers. Alright, thank you guys very much. I'm gonna log off now. Please like, share, subscribe, and comment down below if there's something you want me to look at. Anything, gold, oil, stock markets, crypto, any currencies. There's so many things. Anything you want me to have a look at, comment down below. And when I do go live again, I'll definitely have a look at it and I'll give you my opinion. From our side, have a good one. Cheers.